Hello, in this Bootstrap 4 video we're just gonna quickly cover color schemes for your navbar, because by default, or the one that we used by default, was navbar dash light. There are a few other color schemes. One of the other ones, or the corresponding one to navbar dash light, is navbar dash dark. You know what, I'm gonna copy and paste this so you can see the difference between the different color schemes instead of just replacing it. It's not like we've got a limit on how much code we can have. So let's just save that, refresh. Okay, and you might be thinking, why can't I see like the buttons? And the thing is, you actually can see the buttons. It's just they are now light, because obviously if this is dark, that's gonna show the light. The text will be light, but to actually make this dark, what you need to do is bg dash inverse that ain't working. Let's go back onto it. Oh, my bad, gotta get rid of the faded. There we go. So with the navbar dark and the BG inverse, we have a black background and white text without adding any other custom CSS, and they look very good. What we can also do is again copy and paste this. We can do dark, and I'm going to put BG dash primary. So there we go, we have a nice blue navbar. And what we can also easily do is set a custom color for the background. So I'm going to get rid of faded and put style. I'm doing inline style here, but I just want to iterate again. Recommended that you generally don't do inline styling. Make sure that you have a separate CSS file with the CSS in there. It's just for the sake of this video, it's just easier if I do inline. So I'm going to put background dash color, and for the background color, going to put #3, E3 F2 FD. Save that, refresh, and now we have a light styled navbar. So the text is black and we have a different background color, and that looks very good as well. So changing the color schemes for your navbar is really simple. If you have any questions, feel free to post them on our education platform, sonarlearning.co.uk/questions.php. There'll be a link in the description, plus there'll be another link in the description to the source code from this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, as it does really help us. And as usual, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.